Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Ariell. I create mainly beauty videos, fragrance, and lifestyle vlogs. So if that's the type of content you enjoy, I would love for you to come join the family by hitting the subscribe button. So as y'all can see, I finally got my nails done, my Christmas nails, which I love. She did a really good job. I went to Gloss Nail Bar. I'll put the information in the description box in Houston for those who are interested. It's the cutest nail salon, y'all, the absolute cutest. They always change their decor to fit like whatever the season is or the holiday is, and they just do a really good job every single time. I love going there. But today I've just been running around. It's been a ton of traffic everywhere I go, people getting last minute gifts. I wanted to go to the grocery store, but it was packed. Like literally the parking lot had cars just waiting for parking spots. So I'm gonna try again in the morning. I want to be like there when the doors open, or it just may be a wrap and I have to go. Like it's like last minute type stuff to get the food that I'm gonna be making for Christmas. But it's day 22 in Vlogmas, y'all. So let's unlock day 22 in our Sephora Advent calendar. Can y'all believe we're in day 22 already? That's nuts. Like, wow, I don't even know what to say. So this is day 22. Let's see what we got. Ooh, Laneige. Wow. This is a pretty big size product. And then it came with like a little spatula that says Laneige on it. Oh, it's a moisturizer. There's no odor or anything to it, but it's a Laneige moisturizer and it comes with the spatula. That's cute. This is cute. Perfect for travel, right? Like, look at that. Y'all, AJ got her hair done today. That's one of the things we had to do, and it is the cutest. Let me show y'all. So cute. Look at her hair. Look down, AJ. Is that not the cutest? She did a great job on her hair. I'm going to get mine done tomorrow. So my friend Fee, who does my hair, she does AJ's hair too, and it came out so cute. She always does a really good job on it, but I absolutely love it. It's just something she came up with. So cute, so cute. And you know AJ's birthday is the day after Christmas, so it's like the perfect birthday hairstyle. We got a package. I'm gonna do a quick unboxing and then I'll come back and show you what I got. I think y'all will be excited to see this one as well. Okay, y'all, so the Rare Beauty body care came in. I ended up getting the body lotion, the fragrance body mist, and then this little thing here, I'm not sure what this is called. It's called a Stop and Soothe Aromatherapy pen. So it's like a little gel. You take the cap off, you push the bottom and a gel comes up. I did rub some on my neck and it's supposed to be soothing and relaxing. And it is. It's sort of like aromatherapy, smelling like minty with that sort of aroma that's supposed to like ease headaches and help relax you. So it's pretty cool. It's really minty, so I felt like that menthol feeling on my neck when I put it there. They recommend you put it like behind your ear or your neck or something like that. And they all have the same fragrance. And the body cream is not as aromatic as the pen, but it's nice. It's unisex. This is something that a man could definitely wear, or a woman. And then the body mist smells just like the lotion, so it's very fragrant. Like I said, it's really aromatic, definitely something that a man or a woman could wear. So I'm gonna have a full review up of this probably tomorrow. I'm so tired, y'all. Ordered some food from Lotus. I don't know if you guys have heard of Lotus. I think it's only like a Houston thing. They have a few locations around Houston, but they're well known. Like if you go on Instagram, you'll see like it's a spot that a lot of people go to. They stay crowded. But I ended up ordering from them. Like, have y'all heard of the restaurant that has the crack sauce? Literally crack sauce, which is really good, by the way. It's like Chinese food kinda, but with a twist. Cajun. It's like Cajun Chinese food. So it has like shrimp, and this is like called the Loud Pack. And the rice has like crawfish and shrimp and like Cajun seasoning, and then it's just really good, y'all. Super good. And then you put the like Cajun crack sauce. The name is just terrible, y'all know, but yeah, So good. So yeah, y'all, it's super short today. I'm about to tear into this food, and I'll see y'all on tomorrow.
Cause I've been where you are. You're too scared to show me love. Cause too fresh with the scars. Well, I don't have the answers.